Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two brand new websites that you probably haven't heard of. These are not your usual tech surveys and M-Pennies platforms. These are real global opportunities where your time and input is actually valued and paid for. You can do this from home, from your phone or laptop, and on your own schedule. Before we start, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. So let's dive in. If you've been looking for side hustle ideas that are legit, simple, and can start earning you money this week, this video is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I will be giving you bonus tips on how to increase your earnings and get accepted into higher paying projects from these platforms. Let's get straight to the first one. The first platform on our list is called Prolific, and you can find it at prolific.com. This is a research platform used by universities and scientists to collect data from real people like you and me. So, what does that mean for you? It means you get paid to participate in academic studies, and it's much better than traditional survey sites. Prolific studies come from top universities, places like Oxford, Yale, and Cambridge. They need honest opinions and real-world data from everyday people. That is why they need you. Types of studies you will do include answering questions about psychology, behavior, or tech habits, making decisions in fun experiments, testing new websites or academic ideas. Each study tells you upfront how long it will take, how much it pays, what kind of questions you will answer. Typical pay is around £6 to £12 per hour, depending on your location, and sometimes higher depending on the topic. All payments are done through PayPal, and you usually get paid within 24 to 48 hours after completing a study. So getting a PayPal account is a must, or getting someone who has a PayPal account is a must. Who can apply? Prolific is open to users in most countries, including Nigeria, India, Kenya, the Philippines, South Africa, the UK, Canada, and more. The platform has even expanded its reach to include more global participants because researchers want diverse perspective. Now let me show you how to sign up. Visit prolific.com and click sign up to participate. Fill out your demographic profile. This helps match you to relevant studies. Verify your email and payment method. Start checking your dashboard for available studies. Fill out your About You section completely. That's how you get access to more and better paying studies. So that's Prolific, an easy way to get paid for your opinion and to help science at the same time. Our second platform is called Remotasks. This one pays you to help train artificial intelligence. This website lets you earn money by doing micro tasks that help train AI systems. If you have ever wanted to work with technology but didn't have a tech background, this is your chance. On Remotasks, you will do things like labeling images, categorizing content, transcribing audio, drawing boxes around objects in photos, comparing AI-generated content. You can work from your phone, tablet, or laptop, but computer works best for most tasks. How much can you earn from Remotasks? Remotasks says top earners make up to $100 per week, but if you put in more time, some users report earning even more. Tasks usually pay between $1 to $10 each, depending on difficulty and length. How to get started? Go to remotasks.com, sign up with your email, complete the training courses for different types of tasks, pass the test, then start working immediately. Their platform also has a leaderboard, bonuses, and even project invite. for high-performing workers. The best part, Remotasks hires from any country and pays weekly via PayPal. And if you speak multiple languages, you will qualify for transcription and translation tasks that pay more. Pro tip, join the Remotasks Bootcamp, which is free. It gives you deeper training and access to premium projects that pay higher rates. Here are a few tips to increase your income with these platforms. First, enable notifications. Both platforms send study on task invites. 2. Be quick to respond. The best tasks fill up fast. And 3. Always be accurate. Platforms rate your work and reward consistency. Join communities like Reddit and Facebook groups. They can help you learn faster. Use a computer when possible. It's fast and easier for detailed tasks. Remember, you're building a new skill set here. Attention to detail, consistency, and reliability is needed. Alright, let's wrap it up. Today, we looked at 2 powerful platforms that pay you globally. Prolific.com pays you to take part in real academic research. Remotasks.com pays you to train artificial intelligence. Both are free to join. You can work from anywhere and you can earn at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, comment your location, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments which of these are you excited to try first. And if you want more global work from home options, check out my playlist right here on the screen. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.